We've been using Vital Protein's collagen peptides supplements for a few months now, and we absolutely love it. And there's so many different ways you can actually add it to your daily routine. So if you're interested in collagen peptides, I highly recommend this package. This is a brand new one here. This is how much comes in it, just so you have an idea. It is scoopless because they don't want to, bother you with the scoop in there and create that put that in the package. This is exactly what it looks like. It almost looks like powdered milk. So I'm going to put in 2 of those just like that. And the really nice thing about this one is it is tasteless. So you can add it to spaghetti sauces, to your food, to really anything. I add it in my coffee. But if you want to have something a little special, this one here does the exact same thing as the blue bottle. This one is clearly chocolate, and it does taste really, really nice. I also can add this to my coffee just to give it a nice little chocolate flavored coffee, and it's really nice. Now, the one thing to recommend, they do say that you can add it with cold water or cold beverages. You'll have to mix it a lot harder and a lot more thoroughly because it is harder to kind of like, it does congeal a little bit. This is just warm water, and I will mix it up just like that. And you'll see that right now you kind of see like it's kind of gross looking. It's kind of because it's the fatties, the collagen there. So I'm going to mix that up. And look how incredibly easy it does mix. And there you go. Now everything is exactly the way I wanted. I can add this to any recipe. Like I said, you can add this for your next meal or for your next beverage, whether it's, I do it with a coffee, just straight up in a coffee. And it's great. And yeah, if you want to add that collagen to your diet, highly recommend Vital Proteins.